Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. In today's video, we are going to make my 8-year-old BMW X5 look like new. It is absolutely filthy. My wife never washes this thing. She's the one that drives it every day. So it's very dirty, inside and out. We're going to use some products that were sent to me by Shine Armor to make this baby look exactly like new. So I'm very excited. Thank you guys for sending this to me. There's two different products that they sent me. They sent me the Fortified Quick Coat. It does a couple different things, but basically you can use this actually even without water to wash your car and detail it. I'm going to show you how that works, but then I'm also going to actually wash the car and use it afterwards because there's a ceramic coating protection element to this as well. Then this is actually their interior detailer, which is good for vinyl, leather, and plastic, so you can detail every surface inside of your vehicle with this, other than maybe your headliner. We're not going to touch that. I'm really excited for this as well because the interior is really dirty. So I'm going to take you through exactly what we're doing here to make this car look brand new. So because you can use this without water, the first thing I'm going to do is actually show you what it's like. Shine Armor also sent me these really nice microfiber towels. I own a lot of microfiber towels, so I can tell that these are actually really good quality. But I'm going to show you here what we're doing. So the best way to use this is to do two different things. You want to actually spray your towel, and you also want to spray the surface that you're cleaning. So I'm doing this just on the hood, so you can see how it looks. When you spray this or you pour water on it, it's going to bead right off, which is really nice, and that's one of the protective elements that you get out of this. Another really amazing thing I've noticed, because I used Fortified Quick Coat on the hood here, there's actually not a lot of water on it. It's amazing that most of the water, the rest of the car is soaked and the hood is actually not very wet. I don't know what it is. There's something kind of calming, I guess, at least for me, about washing my cars. Even when it's 30 degrees right now, 30 Fahrenheit, and I feel like I'm freezing to death. It's just something really relaxing about it. So now that we've washed and dried the car completely, it's not perfect, but it's good enough because we're gonna use this Fortified Quick Coat to actually make it perfect. So like we did before, we're gonna spray the microfiber towel. Get this decently wet, and we're also gonna spray the car. It's amazing too, you can already tell like how smooth this feels with the towel when it's wet and dirty, or if there's no coating on it, obviously, like it doesn't, slide as easily. It slides so easily now. It's crazy. So now that the outside of the car is clean and perfect and covered with the Fortified Quick Coat, we're gonna use the all-purpose interior cleaner to actually clean the inside of this car. So this is very simple. You actually probably shouldn't spray it directly onto the surfaces, although you can, but what Shine Armor tells you to do is to spray the microfiber towel and use that to actually wipe down the surfaces. And I'm guessing that you're probably not gonna need too much of this in order to get the car looking really good. The thing I love about this is that you can use it on everything too. You don't need like a separate spray for the leather or for vinyl or for anything else. You can use this on everything. I like the shine that you get too. It's not too shiny, I guess. It's kind of like more of a matte look, kind of wet, but not too much. It just makes everything look new, in my opinion. And I'm also gonna spray it directly onto the floor mats too, because these are all-weather rubber floor mats. It's a nice mild smell, which is great because it doesn't overpower the inside of your vehicle. You're not gonna feel like you're gonna suffocate when you're driving around with a clean car. I think part of the reason too that you don't need to spray the surfaces directly is that a little bit goes a long way with this. So I have to say, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. The outside and inside of my X5 look really good. It pretty much looks brand new, and I'm really impressed. The thing is, I try not to have products and like sponsorships with brands that I don't really use or believe in. You're probably never gonna see like a mobile gaming sponsorship or anything like that, just because those aren't products that I use. But I clean my cars all the time, and I have to say that Shine Armor has some really good products. So thanks for watching this video. I have a bunch of awesome content in the works as well. I have a new modification on the way for my 440i. I have a bunch of reviews lined up as well. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next one.